Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put in the roads in here. So I'll go ahead and highlight this and TW to get rid of the window tile and kind of zoom in on this guy. Can close my hidden windows. And I want to go back to wireframe so I can see through, right? So now there's the topography and there's the roads. So what we're going to use is we're going to use a command called region, and it's going to make a material selection for us separately for these roads. So this subregion right here under massing and site, if I click on it, it automatically knows I want to work on this topography because there's only one. And what I need to do is I need to draw a closed polyline for these roads in order for it to separate them materially from the rest of them. So I'm just going to start out with a line here, and I'll start here and I'm going to draw to here, and then I can switch to a start end radius arc, and I'll just make that arc, and then I'll go back to a line, and I just want to hit on the end, I'm not being super exact, and then draw, and it has to be it has to be closed, and it has to be on that line, it can't go over. And then just come in, and I'm just going to work my way around this guy. So again, whoops, closer, and then arc, pan over, that's crazy. Alright, and I'm not going to make you watch me do this whole thing, so I'll pause it, and then when I'm back I will start it up again. Alright, so I've got this magenta line going all the way around the edge, right? And then once you get it all going all the way around, you want to hit the big green check. And sometimes you'll get this error message, right? And it'll say lines must be in closed loops. So I don't have a line there, right? So if I continue, I can come in and put a line in. It tries to help you out by giving you those little yellow dots. And then sometimes you can have duplicate lines, right? So if I have one line over the top of another and I try to finish it, right, it'll highlight that entire line and say they can't intersect each other, and they intersect. So you need to continue and just delete that line that's additional. So it needs to be clean. And once you have a clean outline, you can hit the big green check. And if I go to my 3D view, it has separated that out from the rest of the file. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that and change the material of it. I'll just pick asphalt. And it looks like we have a light pavement. We'll take that. So this is a material browser. This is the materials that are in the program, and these are the materials that are on the hard drive. Actually, we looked at them, and if you want to use these materials on the hard drive in the particular project, then you have to move them up, right? So I'm going to left click and move that up into the project, and now I can assign it and adjust it. So I'm just going to go to use render appearance. It all looks fine. I'll click OK, and if I click off of it, now we have some asphalt on there. Alright, so those are putting the roads in, and next we'll put the buildings in.